Good morning, guys. No, it's not good morning. It's good afternoon. January 1, 2023. And gigising na namin, guys. Sobra, look at me. I'm so dirty. Ganon. Yung natulog ako kagabi, guys, yung mga damit namin na prepare ko para dito kami matulog. Hindi pala namin nadala. So, I ended up with this. As in, wala lahat. Pero it's okay. Yung apartment namin is just actually like 7 minutes drive from here. Pero, yeah. We just woke up. And this is the aftermath. Charan! And by the way, guys, grabe, yesterday we received a gift. Ang ganda. Parang Christmas gift ata nung friend ni Martin at nung si Belinda, yung asawa ng friend ni Martin. So, we received a Christmas gift and ngayon lang kami nagkita ngayon lang nabigay. Na-shock ako kasi wala kami binigay sa kanila and it's super, 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 super nice na magagamit ko talaga. And, ay, grabe. As in, ang ganda. Alam mo yung brand na yon, nakikita-kita ko siya lagi. Pag pumupunta kami sa parang appliances store, ganyan, nakikita-kita ko siya lagi. Pero, wish ko siyang bilhin, pero hindi ko talaga siya bibili kasi ang mahal, beyond the budget siya. And, pero sobrang ganda. And yun talaga yung every time na nagpupunta, it's so crazy. Every time na nagpupunta kami sa mga places, yun talaga yung mga tinitingnan-tingnan ko lagi. And suddenly, I have it. Somebody give me, no, not me, give us that thing as a gift. Kaya yun yung parang, basta ang ganda. Ay, pakita ko sa inyo. Yeah. So guys, ito na siya. Grabe. As in, na-shock talaga ako. Open natin, mabigat siya, guys. And I really, really love this kasi nga I love coffee. And may isang coffee machine na kami dito, but this is another one. And it looks so pretty. Like it aesthetic. Aesthetic? Is that the word? Pretty, but it's heavy. Open natin na ano ko na siya kagabi pa na hindi ko siya kagabi nailabas kasi mabigat and we were a bit drunk last night. Pero today, ayun ko na talaga siya. Yung open. Grabe. Wait lang. Ang ganda. Alam mo yung parang nakikita-kita mo to lagi sa sa shop, tapos parang in the future, hindi, wala akong sinabihan. Actually, I did to Martin, pero parang okay, in the future, tapos ibinigay sa amin. Grabe, ang saya ko. Yung likod ko, guys, medyo open na, but it doesn't matter. But anyway, ito na siya. Oh. We don't have a coffee right now. We cannot test it. But of course, it has to stay here in the colony, and I wanna put it somewhere here. Hindi dyan kasi parang lutuan ba. So, dyan ko siya ilalagay. It looks so pretty. Tatanggalin ko na talaga. Wow. Tapos yung color niya, sobrang bonggang-bongga. As in, fit na fit talaga dito sa sa apartment. Dito sa colony. Kasi yung theme dito parang white and black yung theme sa colony namin. There. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Grabe, ang saya ko. For New Year, new coffee machine. Thank you for my beautiful friends, Henrik and Belinda. Parang sa akin lang talaga binigay, pero ano, of course, para to sa amin dalawa ni Martin. Ibig sabihin, kailangan niya ng coffee. Wow, it's so pretty. May pa ganyan-ganyan. Saan ko siya ilagay? Pwede, ilagay ko muna siya dito sa loob. So it's not gonna get lost. Charan!
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I'm sitting there at work and I realized I forgot to wake up. I can't be productive when I'm dreaming about a sheep. I go upstairs and get myself another cup of coffee. I get downstairs and then I spill it on the floor. Well, my life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know.
Kapi-kapi na muna tayo, guys. Let's drink coffee while Martin is cleaning up the kitchen. Grabe, ang bilis ng oras. It's 2 in the afternoon now. Andito pa rin kami. Guys, ang ganda ng aming kuluni. Change topic agad bigla. No, it's because yeah, I can eat that. Put it in the ref. Back to the topic. You know, guys, it's like this kuluni, for others maybe they will think, oh, it's so small, it's blah 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 blah. But seriously, it is very, very nice. Like, nakaka-proud lang talaga na we built it from nothing. And wala kaming experience how to do it. But then, you know, you do a lot of research. I didn't, Martin did. Do a lot of research, asking people how to do this, you know, the experts. But we really didn't have the money to hire experts. Kasi nga, ang mahal dito, guys. Ang mahal. So, ginagawa mo talaga yourself. Hindi pwedeng sa Pilipinas na parang mag-hire ganyan kasi medyo kaya, pero dito hindi talaga kaya ng presyuhan. So, yeah, it was just so nice na yung floor na dito, ngayon Martin, yung floor dito, isa ko sa naglagay, yung paint dito, nag-paint din ako. Alam mo yun, yung parang ginawa natin to. And now, we actually enjoying it because, obviously, last night dito kami nag New Year's Eve. Tapos, napaka-relaxing siya. Kulang lang talaga ng warm water, but it will be fixed very soon. Ano pa bang kulang? I think yun na lang. Martin, right? And a little bit of electricity outlet. Yeah, so that's it. That's the two main.
We need a new boiler and then electricity. They need to be here 2-3 hours.
Yeah, so we're lacking we get some electricity outlet na, but there's in the kitchen that's lacking also. And then boiler para magka-warm water dito because it's so important. And then that's it. And then it's done. And the next project will be the garden. It's literally the view while I am drinking my coffee. may garden kami. Hindi pa siya ganun ka maayos as you can see. And dami pang trash that those are the, you know, construction materials na hindi na namin gagamitin. And then we're just trying to find time to deliver it in the garbage place. And then after that, this summer, the project would be to make the garden look nice. Ganon. Gusto ko may mga flowers. Diyan gusto ko naka-grass talaga. There. Also on the other side. Tapos, yeah, flowers and maybe vegetables area. At pag mangyayari yan, first time ko siya kasi hindi talaga ako nagtatanim, guys. Never pa akong nagtanim sa tanang buhay ko. I grew up in the Philippines pero sa Cebu City. And wala kaming space, growing up, wala kaming space na sarili namin na para makapagtanim, ganyan. So, hindi talaga. So, for the first time in my life, I'm gonna have my own garden, na talagang totoong garden. And we're gonna make it beautiful.